welcome back to my channel. This is Queen Sua. In today's video, we have for you a unboxing of the Itzy Ritzy package I received and a Dollar Tree haul. My son will be joining us sporadically, so he made his appearance right now. You want to show what we got?
Yeah!
Okay. Okay, give me something. So the first thing we want to show you is, what is it? The hot cocoa flavored candy canes. Let me see, can I see it? Let me show it to the camera really quick and then you can go with it. So we picked these up for $1. That's why I love the Dollar Tree, because everything is $1. The next thing is the blueberry candy canes. And the reason why we picked these up, of course we want to taste them, and we are, how do I say this? We are organizing a little gift bag for the elderly. And so my son is gonna be giving these gifts away, and hopefully we have footage in this video or in the upcoming videos of it. And my daughter just woke up. You guys see her back there? Okay, so we're back and my daughter is now joining us. So we did get the candy canes. Let me see. I'm gonna try to go through this as quick as possible because, as you guys can see, my hands are pretty full. And I don't want my son eating all the candy canes. Okay, the next thing I bought at the Dollar Tree, which has nothing to do with Christmas, well maybe, if I make cookies, is this measuring cups and spoons. And then there's M&Ms in there, but I don't want him to hear. Cooking pan, gift bags, these naughty or nice candy cane game, 2 cupcake trays, whoops, a dry erase board, some Christmas cards, finger paint, and I want to do some ornaments. Sketched canvas, baking cups, more finger paint, a blue finger paint, some dry erase markers, and then I found this cute Christmas decor. It's a box, but it looks like a little book that I will be placing on the mantle of the fireplace. And I did get some toys for his stocking, which we still have to buy, but I put them all in the office. Here's one of them. I hope he didn't see that. I think he did. No! And then a bunch of gloves that we are going to be giving to the elderly. So that's my haul for the Dollar Tree. Now let's get started with unboxing the Itzy Ritzy package. So this is what the box looks like. Came in that packaging. I love how Itzy Ritzy packages their things. Like, it's really nice. Okay, let me put the baby down and I'll start unboxing. So this is pretty neat. This time Itzy Ritzy included a way to receive a free gift. In this case, it's an everything bag. And you basically read the instructions, which I was reading that you snap a picture of the products you received and then you tag them and then you will receive your gift. So I thought that was pretty cool. Okay, now let's see the goods that are inside. I'm telling you, Itzy Ritzy has the best packaging ever. The first thing I see is this envelope that says Hello Beautiful, and then it has the Itzy Ritzy logo. And then inside, it has a letter of appreciation from the owner, and then information on the Ritzy rewards. Oh, as well as a way to receive a free snack happens and an everything bag. Pretty cool. And then just the information that you've bought. So let's get started. So the first thing I see is this sealed wet bag. And the reason I bought this was because I did experience a blowout with my baby girl. And luckily we were in the house, so I didn't really have to worry about her clothes. But if we do go out, I want to be able to have her clothes, you know, in a place where it's not going to dirty the rest. And what I like about this bag is that it is machine washable. So this is how it looks. I got this print to warn everybody that this is a dangerous thing to open. The next thing I got was the infant feeding support. Now, I've heard many good reviews on this. I wanted to take the chance and, you know, experience it myself because I am feeding my baby. Well, obviously, right? Because I am bottle feeding my baby. So, you know, sometimes it hurts my arms. I have to be like leaning on something because she does get heavy. So, yeah, this is the reason I bought this. Oh. So the next thing I want to show you is this Sweetie Pal pacifier. So it's a pacifier made of silicone, and it comes with a little Sweetie Pal, which I think is so adorable. This is a llama, and my baby girl really loves these pacifiers, so decided to get one in the llama style and in the unicorn. And the last thing I got are these little tags. These are some attachable, let me see if I can open one. So they're called tidy tags, and it's basically a way to keep your stuff organized. So I got this one that says mama, and then one that says first aid, because I did make a first aid kit to go in my diaper bag. And just in case I tell my husband, like, can you get me the first aid kit, or I tell anyone else, they won't have to be looking through multiple pouches. This will mark that it's the first aid. And then you guys might be wondering, what are all these pom-poms? So usually Itzy Ritzy has these and they go on top. I guess this time it was these colors because it's seasonal. But yeah. So these are all the products I received. I am very pleased with them. If you guys want a review on any of the products in specific, you guys can leave a comment on the section down below and I will be glad to do one for you. Now mother duty calls, so I have to go cook and I have a whole day ahead of me. So I hope you enjoyed this short video. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, bye. Puppy, what are you doing? Let's see, throw them in the air. Throw them up. Up. Whoa! Whee! So I am picking up some baking pans. I am just so shocked at all the good things they have here at the Dollar Tree. Like, you see these in H-E-B or another store, Kroger's, and it's so expensive. Okay, so this is what I have. Huh. Everything is $1. Oh, I'm sorry, Mamacita. Let's give your bottle back. So you guys just heard my husband. He is shocked that everything is $1 here.
I buy these for like $3 at the corner store.
Yep, they're ripping you off at the corner store. $3 and you... What in the world, Levi? You gotta be kidding me.
My favorite.
Oh my goodness. Yes, puppy? You want something to drink? Look at everything they have. Like, this Dollar Tree is a stock. This, you buy this at like CVS for what? $2.50? You get it here for $1.
Sua.
Yes. All of that. Embarrassing. He asked the sales associate, everything's $1? And then she says yes and she laughs. We are totally doing this. Let me get one before he comes. Nothing.
The candy cane game?
Yes. Look at all the selections of bags they have. Look at how cute. How cute. I mean, the quality's not as good, but this is so cute. You know what? I can decorate the chimney with these. I'm so sorry, mamacita. Look at the little mailboxes. These are so cute. You can put a little cookies in here. Oops. Or even like a little tie for your husband or something small. Those are cute.